part of the group Kottarashky The Rain Dogs. This whole project starts first like my own project, like a DJ stuff, and after I record my first album, then I get together with these guys. One from them is here, it's Donald.
Yeah, I'm the bass player.
Very eclectic music. It's a mixture between almost every other style, like rock, jazz, funk. So we don't have any.
We don't have any limits.
Yeah.
Originally, idea begins with him. He presents to us the idea. We're just looking at the idea. Each one of us, the other four instruments, and then everybody plays his riff, so to say. And that's it. This develops. The song might change as well.
We put our souls in the music, and we try to present somehow the traditional music from the Balkans, the way we feel it, and all the other influences that we have. In Bulgaria, there is very, very different styles of music that you can hear while traveling or villages or around the country. So I try to put everything that I like, that I think that I can use.
I never ask him where do you get your WAV files from. They're there, I like them, and I play with them. And
mostly I recorded my samples while traveling around the country. Someday, if we travel here more, I really like the Hungarian gypsy music. I listen a lot, violins and stuff. It's very cool. So, for sure.